Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun fall video, I'll be showing you how to draw a Fall Eevee surprise fold. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Fall Eevee Folding Surprise, let's begin by folding our paper. So I'm going to line up my paper like this and give it a nice fold down the middle, so it kind of looks like a card. Next, I'm going to line up the corners one more time, giving it another nice fold down the middle. Now when I open this up, I have these nice little guidelines to show me where I need to keep the inside of my drawing. And I like to turn my paper this way so I can open it up for the fun surprise. Now to start off with this, I'm going to begin by making a pile of leaves here. So we're going to make a few different leaves. So I'm going to start here by making like a rounded arrow shape like this. Then I'm going to make some little wiggly lines on each side. And then we'll just make a little stem. I'll do another leaf over here. This time I'll make like a pointy arrow. And I'm going to make some little points on the sides of each one with a stem. I'm going to make another arrow here. And this time I'm just going to curve two lines down here with a stem. I'm going to make another arrow shape over here. And we'll make some more little wiggly lines around here. I'll make a round one here. And we'll make these wavy lines to connect it. I'll do another arrow shape here and a curve. And we'll make another leaf. Then what I'm going to do over here is I'm just going to make some kind of like bumpy lines. They're just going to kind of come up to here. Then I'm going to do the same thing here, some kind of like bumpy lines. And then I'll make another little leaf down here. Just like this. So it kind of looks like we have a big pile of leaves. We can even go and put a few like half leaves around here. Just to kind of make it look like some leaves are kind of like sticking out of the pile. This way we just don't have to draw like a huge pile of leaves. Then if you want to, you can always go and put little V's in here just to make your leaves look more realistic. You don't have to, but that's always something that you can do just to make your leaves look a little bit more interesting. Now, starting up here, what I want to do is I'm going to make Eevee's ears sticking out. So I'm going to start here, and I'm just going to make a line that's just going to kind of curve up to here. I want to put a couple little points, and then I'm just going to bring it back down. Same thing over here. I'm going to make this line kind of curve up, put a couple little points, and then we're just going to bring it back down. I'm going to make a line that's going to come up to a point and then down. And then same thing here. We're just going to come up to a point and then down. Now our next step is to open this up and draw the inside. Now once we open this up, we've got the bottom half with all the leaves, and then we've got this top part up here. So let's finish this part off with Eevee. So I'm going to just kind of bring these lines down. And I'm going to bring these two lines down. Then I'm just going to bring these lines down where they kind of connect. And I'll do the same thing here, kind of bring these lines down. Now right here, I'm going to make some little points and then kind of connect right there. And then right here, I'm going to make a line that's just going to kind of come down and around on each side. Then I'm just going to kind of curve it to connect. Now for the eyes, I'm going to make these big, tall, kind of oval shapes We're going to make one here, then I'm going to make another one right here. Now I'm just going to kind of connect them with a little line at the bottom. I'm going to make another large oval shape inside each one. And then I'm going to put a smaller oval shape at the top for like the reflection in the eye. Then I'm going to make a little line above each one for the eyebrows. For the nose, I'm going to make a small dot like this. Then for the mouth, I'm going to make lines just going to curve up and down, and then down and up. Then we're going to make lines just going to come up and down with a little curve for the tongue. Now, starting down here, I'm going to make another little bump on each side, a couple little bumps. And then we're going to add another leaf. You can make any type of leaf you want to, but we want to put at least another leaf on here. So I'm just going to put my little V's on there as well. And I'm going to do one more here. I'm going to make just another leaf kind of sticking out, but I want to make sure it doesn't go below that fold line. Now, I want to put a little scarf on Eevee. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a line that's going to come down on each side. I'm going to curve this line across. Then I'm going to make a wiggly line here and a wiggly line here that I connect. Then I'm just going to make a little zigzag line. And let's just add some small lines on here and some lines here for some detail on the scarf. Now, we want to make Eevee's kind of like furry mane. So I'm just going to make some big kind of pointed lines. They're just going to kind of come down and then back up here. Now, I want to make it look like Eevee is jumping out of the leaves. So I'm going to make a line that's going to come up here and a line that's going to come over here. I'm going to make 1, 2, 3, and 4 little bumps. And then this one, I'm just going to make 1, 2, and then 3 little bumps, kind of like behind the scarf. I'm going to bring this line back in, and we're going to bring this line back in. I'm going to curve this line down, and then we're going to curve this line down. I'm also going to put a little oval here so we can see Eevee's little paws. And then I want to put the tail over here. So I'm going to make a nice big line that's going to curve up. We're going to make some points, and then I'm just going to curve it back down here. We'll make a little zigzag line and then a couple little lines coming out for the tail. Then all I want to do here is I just want to add some little leaves right around here. Now you guys can make any type of leaf you want to. I showed you guys how to make some different ones. So you just want to kind of fill up this area with some different leaves. I'm going to try to make a few different styles of leaves just to make it a little bit more interesting. And I'm just going to put some right around here just so it kind of looks like Eevee is jumping out of the leaves and they're kind of going all over the place. So we're just going to make a couple different types of leaves all around here. And then even if you want to when it's closed, it would look kind of neat if we even drew a few leaves on here, just to make it look like maybe some of the leaves are kind of like falling in the wind, or they're maybe coming right off the trees. We can just add a few little cool looking leaves on here, just to make it a little bit more detailed. And there you go. Once we have it closed up, we have this little leaf pile with some Eevee ears sticking out. Then when we open it, we've got Eevee jumping out of the pile of leaves, and we see leaves flying all over the place. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.